Rainfall predictions are a little bit less uncertain. How do we know that? We look at different models, seasonal prediction models, when it comes to the seasonal outlook or the seasonal prediction. And the rainfall predictions from the different seasonal prediction models show variation or no clear signal in terms of whether above normal or below normal rainfall is favored over a particular area. So the exception to this is the southeastern part of the country, where most seasonal prediction models show or indicate above normal rainfall for the remainder of spring, as well as the midsummer season, which is the December, January and February period. In terms of temperatures, maximum and minimum temperatures are predicted to be above normal over most of the country. When it comes to the prediction of maximum temperatures, in particular over the western interior parts of the country, the probability for warmer conditions than normal is relatively larger compared to the remainder of the country.